Get these all characters for free. No need to wait for my 4K subs. Get now if you purchased my Prime membership subscription. If you want to get the membership, so please watch all the benefits here and price. Then after you read it all benefits and price, then go to the description box and you get one link for WhatsApp group. Then click it. Once you redirected in my WhatsApp group, then message there I want membership. Then I contact you for payment methods and not one thing. No matter which country you from, so don't forget to join the.
So how can we do that? Oh no.
Hey, I will kill you.
Wait, I'm coming. OMG, Spider-Man kid.
We need to find them.
But how? We need to make blast of the best plan for fighting.
But first we need to know where is it. Now guys we need to ask Doctor Strange for tracking Spider-Man new suit.
Yeah, it was a good idea. Now we need to find Avengers and make a team.
Where guys? One is alive.
Hey, don't move. Now tell about your base. Where is it? No, I can't tell.
Hey, told fast. If you not told us, I will kill you.
Our base in center of the Amazon jungle. You can't find them. And we are kidnapped Spider-Man for making his variants. If we success, so we get a lot of Spider-Man. This Spider-Man helps we to kill Avengers. We tried this experiment for a lot of time, but it's cannot possible without actual Spider-Man.
Don't worry, we track the Spider-Man easily.
Hey, how?
We track the Spider-Man easily
For the help of magic. That's your A now.
How are you still alive?
You killed me in this timeline, but I am from other timeline. Let's go to help Spider-Man before coming more villains. Let's go fast.
Yes, you are right.
Oh no, TM. Ah, oh. Hey, TM. Are you okay? Oh no, who is this? Ah, Top Spider-Man. Oh no, this is Killer Man version 2.2. This is it too powerful. We can't defeat that. That's your end. Who's this? FBI officers. We tagged Mr. Happy Sir. Come on, that's your end now. That's not our end, that's your end. That's your end, even you with your full team. Oh yes! Now Spider-Man not quality of that. Yes, but Spider-Man is kidnapped. Yes, but how can we beat this? We need to go from here first. Where is it? Oh no, he's escaped from here. Oh my god, 5,000 plus officers were killed because he's fighting with the Killer Man version 2.2 and the Venom Spider-Man version 2. But the main question is, how is alive? Because already Avengers fighted with the Killer Man version 2.2 and its success. But the Killer Man is big. How? Let's ask the question with Avengers. But Avengers escaped the fighting place. We don't know why. But that was a bad move for our hero fans. So how you thinking about the question why he escaped the fighting place and why he cannot come again for help our FBI officers? And the last question is here is 50 plus villains but we don't know how he come at one place. But we already asked the question with FBI officers and he's saying multiverse is open and we don't know why and how. Even he cannot asking for villains and even he not know for how the multiverse was opened. So now we need to find Avengers for asking the question again. Bye and thank you for watching our newses. Thank you so much for helping to escape. No problem.
Yes, but I think you have no brain. Why are you doing raid without our permission? Here is a lot of villains. You need to go from here. You need to go and help other Spider-Mans via this multiversal portal. Oh, okay. Guys, take this remote and go for help Spider-Man via multiverse. Okay, sir. Now we are going. If you need more help, so please ask them. Don't do anything without our permission. He is saying correct. You are in danger, so don't do anything. Oh, see guys. Go. We handle this situation. Go other universe in the other timelines and help your variants. And then you helped it, force him to come here and help our to fighting these villains. Yes, we are going. Hey, I want to go. Why you stopped me? Please don't go from here. You not think anything? If you go from here and FBI officers come here and ask them where is Happy, so how can we reply them? So please, we need you. Don't go from here. Give me weapon. Oh no, this is so powerful and strong. How can we beat this?
We all reach to die. We all reach to die.